Amabhokobhoko azakumphicana phansi kwesicitho uJody Barrett weAll Blacks ukuze enze impazamo batye ngazo.
But then it just comes down to execution again, and it's just, our kicking game functions with everybody's got a role to play in it. Not just literally the kick or this and that. So Jordy is great in the air, he's massive, he's a very tall guy. But there's also other areas we can go to, and sometimes we will go towards him. It's just what you have to do sometimes. And then we'll try to get in there as best as we can and try to get the ball back.
Upeter Staff Dutoy, uthi okusengqondweni yabadlali kokubuyisa isidima seliqela seminyaka edluleyo.
For us as a Springbok team, I think it's a good opportunity to improve to the public where we were in the past, and everyone always compares us what we were in 2019.
Abadlali boMzantsi Afrika baphose nethuba lokungcamla uhlobo lomdlalo lwaseNew Zealand emva kokuphuma kwamaqela asekhaya kwitumente yeSuper Rugby.
It's this match rugby, it's not Super Rugby, it's something different, and we'll try to contain them, whoever plays, as much as we can, but they've got 15 threats on the field at all times.
Izakuba lityele khulu nambini 102 ezingqwayingqwayi zingquzulana kwaye ozakuphisa usenalo ithuba lokubuyisa izitya kwiveki ezayo eRhawutini amasabekwe langeni umphokoqo unexhala.